In this video, I'm going to go over 10 quick and easy patterns that you can make in a day, maybe just an hour, or if you have a whole weekend, bust your stash, make a gift, or just find something to keep your hands busy during a rainy time while you binge watch a favorite series. Let's get started. First is the Shoreline washcloth. This beautiful yet deceptively easy stitch can be worked up quickly. In fact, I made almost 3 in a day. The border adds a wonderful feminine touch and can be rolled up to look like a flower, so it's great for gifting. Even a beginner can make this with my easy video tutorial that comes with the pattern. This is the Sunburst Coaster pattern, and it is part of the Harvest Home collection. It coordinates beautifully with the simple thermal stitch pot holder. These are also a great scrap buster because you see how little yarn they use for each one, and you can make a whole set in less than a day. These skillet handle covers I designed out of necessity. I love to cook. In fact, I love to cook more than I love to crochet. And I didn't like any of the really simple looking patterns that I saw, so I made something that had a little bit of a more modern twist. You can customize them to fit large handled pans as well, not just iron skillets. And the pattern is available here on the channel. A chunky ribbed hat is a classic crochet pattern that's got a unisex design, so you can make one for everyone you love. The pattern is easily customizable, and I find it doesn't get boring because the rows change stitches, so you're not just working the same stitch back and forth. Another free pattern available on the channel and in the blog post linked down below. This bag pattern quickly became a fan favorite. I had so many of you writing me telling me you were making more than one and how much fun it was for you to make it. And believe it or not, you can make this nice bag, and it's a decently large size, in a weekend, thanks to the chunky yarn it uses. This is a free pattern on the channel, and it's also linked in the blog post, as the others are as well. This stylish and modern farmhouse style trivet with a braided strap looks so beautiful displayed, and it is practical. I'm able to make the mid-sized one in about 2.5 hours and the large size in 3.5 hours. These make great gifts or a gift to your own home. Now, who could not use a bookmark? Now, with my style on it, of course, it has to be a little bit extra. I love my wood bead and wood ring adornments on so many items. Whenever I can put them in, you can always count on me for that. And these are the bookmarks I designed that use both a wood ring and a wood bead. So you know I love it. I have said many times the crochet wristlet and phone holder is one of the most practical things I've ever made. I use my signature no stretch strap pattern so that it's not sagging, and it's so useful for many things. If you want to throw in some doggy bags and your phone, perfect for dog walking. If you do outdoor fitness and just running errands around town. I don't like to carry a handbag. I have lots of them. I just prefer to use a wristlet or a pocket. If you have a dog or a cat with a food and water bowl, you know they can make a mess. This simple and customizable pet mat design is extra thirsty thanks to the stitch I used, which uses 50% more yarn, and you make it with cotton yarn, so it's extra thirsty and it's easy to keep clean. This mug cozy is designed for oversized mugs or taller mugs that you might put both hands around, and they need just a little more coverage. They're customized to fit the width and easily hook over the handles. Tell me in the comments which one is your favorite fast project featured in this video.